Hi, I am Mary Rufio, and today is Friday, August 7th. Greeting to all residents, staff, and guests. Marvin is taking a day doing something special with family, so asked me to step in. Today we have 7 active COVID cases, 1 resident and 6 staff members. The resident lives at King's Crossing. The added staff member today works in the gardens, and all of the appropriate precautions are being taken to manage that new case, as we have since March. We've been doing this, working hard, all of us have. We have 66 COVID cases conducted and awaiting results. Marvin shared yesterday, we recently retested all of Sister Net House and the garden's 4th floor. We should have those results on Monday. As always, remain vigilant. We can be outdoors, and that's really valuable, but remembering to keep 6-foot distance, remembering to keep masks, but still the joy of being able to see loved ones sure is wonderful with the sun out, isn't it? We have some very good news. Recently, both the Gardens and ECH, our Episcopal Church Home, were recognized by the U.S. Center for Medicare and Medicaid Services, we often call that CMS, with the top possible quality rating of 5 stars. We haven't announced this yet, but you're getting the inside scoop. CMS quality ratings are based on 3 types of assessments in our nursing homes: nurse staffing ratios, quality of care outcomes, and also health inspection results. So we got the highest possible rating for both of our nursing homes. So that's a huge congratulations to everybody involved. I also wanted to take a real quick moment to read a note sent to me by our CFO, Tom Henry, who the residents got a letter this past weekend, and staff and families, about our kind of intense focus on improving our tech services. I know that people are being incredibly patient, and I always say that it's hard to imagine an incredibly relational environment where we had beautiful interpersonal relationships, and when COVID came, we suddenly had to have really wonderful digital systems to replace those beautiful interpersonal relationships. But we didn't have to have those systems before now in the same way, and we've been working as hard as we possibly can to get those in place. The most recent ones we're working on are our Wi-Fi, our telephone, and our cable. Tom is really leading an intense charge most recently on that, but here's his note. In my last communication, I told you of our partial success getting a more stable and robust internet service. Our experiences with Zoom and other telecommunications platforms have improved, but are still not perfect or consistent for everybody. We're working with CenturyLink to improve their service, and with Comcast to get a separate line for internet. Adding that new line will take about 30 days, typically. When completed, we should no longer have the same challenges with Zoom that we're having now. Soon we'll be opening a new ticketing system so you can quickly let us in tech support know if you're having any problems. We are testing this system now with all staff, and if it goes well, we're going to be rolling it out to residents very soon. The system will allow us to fix equipment effectively and more quickly, and also offer a fee-for-service assistance to help you, our residents, install and configure devices that you purchase. Remember, you can consult our tech team before you purchase any new device to ensure it's compatible with our systems. We have made some progress. We will continue to make more in the coming weeks and months. As always, if you have any questions, feel free to contact Mark Ladwig or Tom Henry. And I know they are working just incredibly hard on this, and you have seen, and I have seen some progress even in the last week, and we'll continue. Marvin will be back with all of you here on cable at 1:30 on Monday, and I recognize it's going to be a little rain this weekend, but we haven't had any rain in some time, so hopefully there's a good book, a good friend nearby, and I hope you all have a lovely weekend.